Hey, thank you so much for joining me for this video today. So my name is Nicole and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark, and I like to do a lot of reseller content, but I also once in a while do put a little bit of DIY stuff in there. And today I actually have a video for you guys showing you how to bleach an old t-shirt or sweatshirt. I did a sweatshirt, but I'll show you exactly what I did. It's super simple and easy. Anybody can do it as long as you're safe and you're careful. I do recommend that you do this project outside because it does help. If you do it inside, you get a lot of like very chemical bleach smell in your house. It can also burn your eyes kind of and just bother you, make you sneeze, even can hurt your lungs if you're around it too long. So I do recommend that you do it outside. I only use about a couple different things with it. It's super simple and easy, so I'll be showing you guys exactly what I do, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay guys, so the only things that you need are some Clorox bleach. This is just a regular bleach. There's nothing special about it, and I would not recommend using like a cheap bleach or anything like that, because what ends up happening is the name brands just don't have enough bleach and there's too much water in it and they do not work properly. And here I have a pair of plastic gloves because I don't want to get the bleach all over my hands. And then this is just an old bottle of an old spray bottle that I filled with bleach. This is how I'm going to do the dip dyed effect, which will turn out really nice once it's done. So that's all you need, and then of course your sweatshirt. Okay, so this is a sweatshirt that I chose. It's just a vintage Boss America sweatshirt. You can see that I had got a little bit of bleach on it already from transferring. When I brought it outside, it was on the gloves because I had to transfer the bleach into the spray bottle. So you can see I already kind of got some on in a few spots, but I'll just make that look like part of it. But okay. Finished product. It actually turned out really neat and awesome. I'll show you guys kind of a close-up. The bleaching actually changed. This was a blue thread, and it actually changed it into this really pretty-ish violet purplish pink color. I really like how it turned out. This is the back, so you can see it kind of came through a little bit in a few spots. Nothing major, but I'm totally fine with that because of the style of the shirt. I think it just kind of goes with it. You can do different types of patterns as well. I just like this bleached kind of look. You definitely could bleach the back as well if you want to, or make different designs on it. I like the way it turned out, so I'm definitely going to just leave it this way. I do think it's important to note that you do need to wash and dry your item at least 2 times before you wear it, because it will have a very strong like bleach scent to it. So I think that that's really important to do. So make sure you do that 2 times before you actually wear the item. Also, sometimes bleach can be irritating to people's skins, so that's another reason why I recommend you wash and dry it both 2 times. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like if you like this video and you want to see more content like this, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I'm a baby channel still, and I just really appreciate when you guys subscribe, so please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you later. Bye!